woman, it doesn't mean every man is sleeping with you, he wants to have a child with you. You know that men sometimes they are joking that he wants to have a child with you, but one day you are telling him that you are pregnant, he starts denying the pregnant. So sometimes don't take it serious, especially to a person you are not married with. That person, he tells you that I want a child, what. Sometimes he can talk like he is joking, sometimes they are joking, but when it comes the pregnant, you are saying you are pregnant, he can deny. Sometimes men, they can say things they don't know what they say. Sometimes when it becomes, maybe he wants to have sex with you, he can tell you that I want a child, I want to have a child with you, because he doesn't want to wear condom most of the time. Sometimes men, they can lie to you that he wants to have a child with you because he doesn't want to wear condom. It's not about he wants to have a child with you most of the time. So sometimes when you saw that he doesn't want to wear a condom, it's better to prevent when you want to have a sex with him, because guys, tomorrow you will cry, you will be a single mother, you will take care of that child alone. Sometimes guys, men, they can sleep with you and they don't want to have kids with you. Sometimes he can say like he wants to have a child with you because he wants to sleep with you only sometimes. So you have to understand their language, men, most of the time. Don't take it serious. You say I want to have a child with you, so I don't want to wear a condom, I want a child. Sometimes he is talking about because he wants to release his own things. He wants to sleep with you and release only. It's not about he wants to have a child with you for real. No. Yes, they want to have kids with their people they love. Men want to have kids with people he knows that this woman is on his heart sometimes. So sometimes don't say, because you'll be disappointed every time. You have got kids, your kids are different fathers, they are using different surname. Another man can come and say same things again. So sometimes guys, be careful, especially women. So don't have a child with a person you know that you are not married to that person. Men, they can talk like they are joking. Tomorrow you are telling him, especially married men, he can tell you that I'm married. Why you are pregnant? It's not mine. What? Sometimes. So guys, don't be, because men, when it becomes to they want sex most of the time, they don't use their brains. They can talk what they talk at that time, and tomorrow you asking him, he can say I don't know, I didn't say it sometimes.